Welcome students. Now I am going to teach in lesson 16 microorganisms one category of microorganism, that is fungi. Fungus is the singular form and fungi is the plural form. Okay. What are fungi? Fungi are a group of eukaryotic organisms. That means fungi are the microorganisms whose cells have a nucleus enclosed within a nuclear envelope. Okay. Fungi do not contain the green pigment chlorophyll. Therefore, fungi cannot prepare their own food by photosynthesis process. There are two types of fungi. They are unicellular fungi and multicellular fungi. The example for unicellular fungi is yeast. The example for multicellular fungi is penicillium. Okay. Now we will see where can we find fungi. Fungi grow in dark environment. They are found in all kind of habitats like sea water, fresh water, in soil, on plants, on humans, on animals, on human skin, and even growing on microscopic crevices in CD-ROM discs. Fungi are included under kingdom fungi. The study of fungi is called mycology. Some fungi are macroscopic. That means some fungi are visible to the naked eye. Example, mushroom. There are 70,000 species of fungi living in the world. Okay. Now we will study about the unicellular fungi, yeast. Okay. This is the picture of yeast. Okay. Where can we see this yeast? We can see yeast freely in the atmosphere. Yeast grows in all kinds of media containing sugar. Okay. Now we will discuss about the cell structure of yeast. The cell of yeast is ovoid in shape. So what is the shape of the cell of yeast? That is ovoid. Okay. It contains cell wall and a nucleus and cytoplasm. The cytoplasm is granular. That means the cytoplasm consists of vacuoles, organelles and glycogen. What is glycogen? Glycogen is an oil globules. Now we will see the use of yeast. What is the use of yeast? Yeast helps in fermentation with the help of the enzyme zymase. Now we will see the respiration of yeast. How yeast respires? Yeast respires anaerobically. It does not require oxygen for respiration. Okay. Now we will see how yeast reproduces. Yeast reproduces by budding. How yeast reproduces by budding? In budding, a small bud known as a daughter cell is formed on the parent cell. The bud then continues to grow until it separates from the parent cell, forming a new cell. Thus, the yeast reproduces by budding. Okay. Now, we will see another microorganism, that is algae. What are algae? Like fungi, algae are very simple plant-like eukaryotic organisms. They are found in most habitats. That is, they live in aquatic habitats like freshwater, lakes or in saltwater ocean. Algae can be seen as thin film on the surface of lakes and ponds. Therefore, they are known as grass of water. Algae are having chlorophyll. So, algae can produce their own food by photosynthesis process. So, algae are called as autotrophic. The study of algae is called alkalogy or phycology. Now we will see the different types of algae. What are the types of algae? The types of algae are Chlamydomonas, Volvox, Elothrix, Priscilla and Hydrodacaion. Okay. Now we will see the size of algae. Algae size varies from 1 micron to 50 meter. There are two types of algae according to the amount of cells. Algae may be unicellular or multicellular. For unicellular example, Chlamydomonas. For multicellular algae example, Sargassum. Now we will see the shapes of algae. What are the shapes of unicellular algae? Unicellular algae are found in different shapes. They are spherical shaped, rod shaped and spindle shaped, etc. Same way, multicellular algae are found in different shapes. They are in the form of filaments and branches. Okay. Now we will study about the unicellular algae Chlamydomonas. Okay. What is a Chlamydomonas? Chlamydomonas is a simple unicellular motile freshwater algae. Motile means it can move. So, Chlamydomonas can move. What are the shapes of Chlamydomonas? The shapes of Chlamydomonas are oval, spherical or pyriform. What is pyriform? Pyriform means pear shaped. So, Chlamydomonas are found in oval shaped, spherical shaped or pyriform shaped. Okay. Then we can see this pyriform Chlamydomonas in ponds, then in freshwater tanks and in ditches also. Okay. Then the cell of Chlamydomonas is surrounded by a thin and firm cell wall made of cellulose. So now we will see the cell structure of Chlamydomonas. Okay. The cell of Chlamydomonas is surrounded by a thin and firm cell wall made of cellulose. The cytoplasm is seen between the cell membrane and the chloroplast. The cell contains large dark nucleus lying inside the cavity of the cup-shaped chloroplast. The anterior part of the cell bears two flagella. What is anterior part? It is the head side part. Okay. Then these two flagella helps Chlamydomonas to locomote. Two contractile vacuoles are seen at the base of each flagellum. The anterior side of the chloroplast contains a tiny red colored eye spot. What's the use of this eye spot? This red eye spot helps the cells in finding an environment with optimal light conditions for photosynthesis. Okay. Then how Chlamydomonas reproduce? Chlamydomonas reproduces by sexual and asexual modes. Okay. So what are the modes of reproduction of Chlamydomonas? Chlamydomonas reproduces by sexual and asexual modes. Okay. In the next video, we will discuss about another microorganism, protozoa. Okay. Thank you.